Hey everyone, welcome to Wearholic. In this video, I will show you how to view YouTube videos on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 6. You can see I am using YouTube on my Galaxy Watch 6 and even doing everything I do on my phone. Are you unable to access it? Don't worry, you can also use YouTube on your Galaxy Watch 6. But before this, make sure your watch must have internet connectivity. After checking the internet connectivity, head to the Play Store and search YouTube. You can see YouTube official app is not available for Wear OS. YouTube Music is available here. But don't worry, there is a way to use YouTube on Galaxy Watch 6. Search for Samsung Internet Browser and install it on your Galaxy Watch 6. Once it's installed, find it in your app drawer and open it. When you launch Samsung Internet, you will see some bookmarks like YouTube, Google, Weather and Samsung. Focus on YouTube. Tap on it and it will open a full YouTube web page. If YouTube is not available in the bookmark, then you can type its URL in the search box to access it. You can see the YouTube homepage on my Galaxy Watch 6 screen. You can swipe from the edges to navigate the page and even sign into your YouTube account to view your subscriptions. To scroll, just use the bezel. You can also pinch to zoom in and out. You can explore videos. To view any video, simply tap on it. At the bottom, swipe up to add the page to bookmarks. Here, tap Show on Phone to watch this on your phone, or activate zoom mode to use the bezel for zooming instead of scrolling. Zoom out fully to see the entire YouTube page on the small screen. You can also swipe between shorts and even view videos on full screen by swiping up. While a video plays, use the bezel to control the volume. That's how you can watch YouTube videos on your Galaxy Watch 6. Using YouTube using this way may be inconvenient at first, but once you get the hang of it, it becomes quite easy. You can do almost everything you do on the YouTube app on your phone. That's all for this video. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to hit the like button. For more wearable tech and tips related to the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6, subscribe to the channel. I will catch you in the next video.